Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Let us see if we are now live. Yes. Now, let's get into it. We are here in the book, exercise 3.15. It's marked as a hard one. So, if we don't get it, like, a reasonable amount of time, we are just finished the live stream. Uh, all right, so write a function. We don't have any type signature in here, so write a function that concatenates a list of lists into a single list. Its runtime should be linear in the total length of all lists. Try to use functions we have already defined. Now let's go here. Let's go over here. Again, this URL, we are in Scala. This URL is in the video description if you want to play along. Okay. In the future, when you're seeing this video, you can just, try the problem and then come back if you like it. So we need to write a function that concatenates a list of lists. Okay, we have a list, my list. Remember, we have our explicit data type, a list of A1, A2, A3, and each one of these, A1, A2, and A3, they are lists. A1 is list 1, 2, 3. A2, 5, 4, 5. A3, 6, 7, 8. So we have a list of lists, and they want to, how they call it, concatenate. This sounds like when you are, concatenating a string in another programming language. I don't know if the names say something to you, but they call it concatenate, which is like, uh, you know, flatten. Maybe that's also not the correct name. You have a list of lists, and you have to return one list containing all the elements. I'm not sure if you can hear me. I was procrastinating and doing some like testing with the microphone to the live version because it seems like it is a very low level, and I don't want to be screaming, you know. So I'm not sure. 4 minutes already. Unbelievable. Hard. Writing a function that concatenates. So let's call it concat. Sorry. Concat our type variable, and it will receive uh, a list. Oh, this is a list of lists. A list of lists. A lot of things here about the type. Most likely it will be something like this. My list of A, and it will return. Now I get. I am getting why this is marked as a hard one. It will return a list of A, a list of lists nested. plain list. Oh, now how can we solve this problem? Uh, I'm doing this because I want to, try to work in my to be on the spot solving problems because I always solve problems. Uh, take my time, go out, outside, outside, come back, write something. But I have when I am on the spot, I have some like I'm not, I'm not sure what's happening. So let's think. Concat list of lists. What can we use? Because the book says try to use functions we have already defined. So I suppose that they are referring to all of these functions, if you remember. So let's try to use them. And one that is not a stack safe, but it seems like a straightforward in the types is all right. So let's start writing. All right. All right. Specs list. Okay. Which is this? A list of lists in this case. And also it expects an accumulator. Since we are returning a list, my list, we need to pass this sort of accumulator. But remember, it says my list of nothing. Well, we need to tell Scala that it is a list of A. Now, what can we do here? We need a function. A, the element of the list, will be a list, and the accumulator. And since this is a list, A, you know, Scast is helping you, is helping us. A is a list, my list of A. And B is my list of A also. What can we do with these two lists? Is right here. Append these two lists to form one. Let's hope for the best. Look at this beautiful suggestion. I have you ever asked how the people in the 80s were writing, like compilers without this suggestion? I'm not aware of any tools about auto-completion in the early 80s. Yeah, append what? Well, append the list to the accumulator. Uh, I'm not okay, we can pass B and A. But remember, in the past exercise, I wasn't sure if I don't remember right now if A2 was appended to A1 or vice versa. So we're passing AB. And if this doesn't work, we will pass BA because I don't want to spend time working this solution again. And if that doesn't work, then we will finish the live thing because I don't want to think even further other than this because this seems great to me. What else can you ask about this beautiful expression? Now it is time for us to use the function. and we will say concat base. And that's all. Let's hope for the best. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a plain list. You know what? Maybe in the future we can write a function that converts this notation to the list syntax we are accustomed. But this works, you know, this works. This is the solution. So remember, this is not stack safe, and you can use fold left as an exercise to the reader. Probably you will be switching the parameters, and you will be reversing the list at the end. And reverse is implemented in terms of fold left. But yeah, that's the way to go with fold left or fold right using fold left. It's up to you. For me, I am down here. And again, for you also an exercise, you can pass this. Let's do it right now. Nil. Let's use a nil. Let's put it here, empty. And see how it goes. If we hit an error, we will regret it. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. That's it. We were lucky, I suppose. Well, not exactly. We just think throughout the types. That will be for me, guys. This will be our starting point in the next video. And let us see. 12 minutes. I can use 1 minute to point you to my personal website. Why? Because you know, if you like storytelling, I am trying to tell a story about a world in which we have this character called Berita. You know, let's click on it. Look at this. She's just waking up, and this is a great story. You know, you will love it. Here's the like a second piece of information. It is not structured yet. What else? This is an explanation for a video that was uploaded just today. So you can go to social. You are in the YouTube, so you can click on my channel and enjoy the video. I'm not sure if I will continue to do these videos. Is up to you, and it is up to my time too. Well, thank you for watching until this point. It is not related to solving functional programming. Don't hate me. Just trying to, entertain you. That will be, guys. Let's finish the thing. Thank you very much, and happy weekend. Bye.